Welcome to this very first MetaMask tutorial. Now, what is MetaMask first of all? If you found this tutorial, you probably already know what it is. It is a wallet. It is a wallet which allows you to send and receive crypto tokens, and it is also your identity which allows you to log in to Web3 properties, Web3 websites. We are going to actually look for the MetaMask Chrome extension. So let's just do that. MetaMask Chrome extension here. I already looked for it earlier, and you will find it right here. If we click on that and click on the Add to Chrome button, we will confirm with Add Extension, and it's checking, it's downloading here at the bottom. In a couple of seconds, we should be able to get this message here. All right, so the MetaMask extension is now installed. It is currently not visible here in the toolbar, but we can change this in a moment by clicking this little puzzle button, and you will find MetaMask here, and you can pin it to the actual toolbar here, which is kind of useful because you will mouse over and click that button on the regular for various kind of activities within the wallet. But this is for another video. Today I'm just going to show you how to install and set up the very basic setup for your MetaMask extension. Let's click on No Thanks. And here, this is the first decision that we need to make. Now, if you already had a MetaMask wallet before, and if you have a secret recovery phrase, this is the moment where you can import that existing wallet into this installation by clicking on Import Wallet. Now, this is another separate tutorial. What we are going to focus on is actually creating a new wallet here. So by clicking Create a Wallet, you can now type in a password. I'm just quickly going to choose an easy password for this video tutorial today. Click to confirm terms of use, create. It's all very simple, and yeah, I mean, if you're totally new to the space, you should probably also take the time to read this, but I will try to make another video explaining some of the fundamentals of safety and security with MetaMask. But it is an important piece of information because there are issues, there are attacks on the regular, and you just need to be aware of some of the very basics not to get caught in a difficult situation. Let's click Next. Now, this is an important moment. This is where you will receive your 12 secret words. With these 12 secret words, you can import your wallet onto any machine in the world, onto your mobile phone. You just need to remember these 12 secret words behind this lock. Like as soon as I click onto this piece of information, we will see the 12 words. I'm going to show them to you exceptionally just for the sake of this tutorial. In a real life situation, you should never show this to anyone because a person can steal all of your funds knowing these 12 words. Now, having said that, let's quickly click on the lock. So here are the 12 secret words. You should write them down on a piece of paper somewhere. Do not copy and paste this into a text doc, and do not save it on your desktop, because anyone who has, maybe even remote access to your machine through a vulnerability will be able to see that and will be able to steal all of your funds using these 12 words by just simply importing this wallet on a different machine. So just be very careful here. Let's click Next. Now, as you can see, the system will try to confirm that you have properly noted those 12 words in the correct order. And now you would have to compile them. Now, I did not note them down, so I'm in a situation where I cannot complete this task. So here I will just click for now, remind me later. But if you have written them down, which you should have done, you could have just simply picked the correct words in the right order and completed that step. I will just click on remind me later for now. So this is the overview of the MetaMask wallet. Normally you will never see it in full screen mode. You will always see it here in the top right corner. as a small pop-up window like this. And this kind of completes this very first installation of the MetaMask Chrome extension. From now on, you will be able to send crypto, receive crypto into your wallet. Your Ethereum wallet ID is currently visible here, which you can copy. And we will look at some of the basic functionality of this wallet in subsequent videos. If you are just starting out right now, congratulations, you have taken a big first step towards exploring the Web3 and the metaverse space, as well as the cryptoverse space. All right, guys, hopefully this was useful. Please do hit the like button to support this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. All right, thank you, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.